The aim of this video is to assist poultry producers to achieve optimum performance from their birds. It draws attention to essential brooding medication and feeding issues which, when overlooked, may reduce flock performance. These brooding techniques will help maintain birds' health, welfare, and allow your birds to perform well. Kindly note that poor birds' health will have a negative impact on animal welfare and productivity, which include the growth rate, feed conversion efficiency, condemnation, livability. The flock must start healthy, and you must source for a good quality day-old chicks to obtain maximum results. Stay tuned as I teach you in this video. To have a good production and obtain maximum weight, you must secure a good brooding room prior to the arrival of your birds. Wash and fumigate the brooding room at least 3 days before the arrival of your birds. Place brooding paper on the surface of the brooding room. Preheat the brooding room before the arrival of the flocks. You can use all methods. You can use both electric or manual method to preheat the brooding room. Provide air outlet in and out of the brooding room. Ventilation should not be overlooked when you want a maximum performance for your day-old chicks. Then, if you have done all these things, you have to get a good feed, which I taught you in our previous video, how to fortify your feed prior to the arrival of your birds. Then the next thing you have to do is to book for your day-old birds. Kindly book for original day-old birds. Do not buy birds from a source that is not genuine. That will affect the bird's performance. The quality of your birds determine how good they will be. If you get less quality birds, no matter the maintenance, no matter the feed, no matter the medication, they will not give you a good result within the time frame you want to keep them. So you have to source for your day-old chicks from a reliable source. Now, checking the average weight of our day-old chicks, and we are going to weigh 10 pieces divided by 10. That is 361 divided by 10, which is 36.1 gram. That is the average weight of this Ross 308 broiler chick. 36.1 gram is very small. So therefore, but because our birds are from a genuine source, we don't have problem. We believe we will meet up with the target weight. The medication we'll be using for brooding is called Brooder. Brooder is a complex formula for broilers and layers based on interesting levels of electrolytes, amino acids, vitamins, probiotic, and antibiotic. This brooder contains everything your birds need. You don't need a multivitamin source, you don't need antibiotic source, you don't need anti-stress. You only need brooder to brood your birds effectively. Under stress, birds will quite frequently reduce feed intake due to the stress. Thus, no matter how good the feed you are using is, if it is not eating, performance will suffer. It is also important for you to recognize that losses of activity of probiotic and vitamins occur as a result of high temperature during feed formulation. Most of our commercial feed contain vitamins and probiotic, but due to the heat pressure that is applied during production, most of all these probiotic and multivitamins are inefficient. So there's a need for you to add probiotic and multivitamin in their drinking water. They should take it via drinking water. Don't just rely on the multivitamin and the antibiotic and the probiotic in the feed alone. If you can't source for brooder, make sure you buy medication for your brooding that contain all these parameters: electrolyte, amino acid, vitamin, probiotic, antibiotic. But you can get our brooder nationwide in Lagos, Abuja, Kaduna, Enugu, Kwara State, Port Harcourt. Make use of the numbers on the screen and you get our representative in each of those states. You can get your brooder and most of our medications from our representative in your state without cost and without stress. So if you are in Lagos, see the Lagos representative number. If you are in Kwara State, see the representative number. Enugu, see the representative number. Port Harcourt, see our representative number. All this medication and more are with them. You can call them to get your medication. Brooder is very effective in brooding. It helps to reduce mortality. It helps to reduce infection at early stage such as aspergillosis, CRD, salmonellosis, etc. So get your brooder close to you from all our representatives across the country, Nigeria, and make use of it for optimum performance and good growth of your birds. Also, to buy your quality day-old birds at affordable rate, original birds delivered to your doorpost, you can make use of the contact on the screen. Note that monitoring of feed intake and water consumption is very vital for early disease detection and targeted intervention. It is important that early identification and action in one flock will help you to prevent disease in surrounding and successive flocks. You have to pay attention during brooding stage to your birds. Pay attention to them, observe them, make sure the temperature is very okay, make sure there's inflow of oxygen and outflow of carbon dioxide, make sure the litter is dry, make sure there is space, make sure there is feed and water always. All these things will contribute to a healthy birds and a better birds performance. You cannot achieve success alone with just observing one parameter. You need to be very observant. Make sure you give them quality feed. Make sure there is water with good medication. Make sure the environment is conducive for your birds. This will help you to minimize loss. This will help the birds to grow well. This will help them to meet up with target weight at a very short period of time. You must pay attention. You must be diligent in your business. You must be very proactive when it comes to poultry farming to be able to obtain success in this endeavor. I wish us all success in our farming. I wish you the very best as we continue this experiment. Very soon I will upload the part 3. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, use this medium to subscribe. Like this video so that it will get to more audience. Comment to ask any question. Use our contact on the screen to ask further questions for inquiry and the rest. See you in the next video. Part 3 will be out very soon, and you will get to learn very much. Thanks for watching and have a nice blessed farming.